and we're recording. This is the, what day is it? The 21st, August 21st, 2018 Apply working group. Maybe this will be fast because I'm very sorry to say that I found almost no time to do anything. I did work a little bit on my stuff, and I think Jenny made progress. So I guess we can go from the top and see if we've got anything.
No, none of mine are
not finished, but you did make progress at least. So maybe some of them can get merged. So I did encounter one thing that we need to do, which is do a documentation PR for a dry run. I had somebody bugging Antoine, but Antoine is having fun in balmy France. It's probably not balmy. So let's see. I'm going to add a item. Document dry run. It's probably not too hard as long as somebody manages to actually do that. Can I put that on your plate, Jenny? Feel free to stop me if I am dumping too much. Let's see, I'm going to duplicate this.
I'm not too involved in, I'm not too deep into all this, so I'm not sure. I actually got my own questions, but I'm happy to help with documentation, as I think it's a good way to get into the topic. So, Jenny, if you are starting it or working it, maybe pull me in if you'd like.
Yeah. How about you can review it?
Yeah, that would be great, I think.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so we're still expecting to work on all of these, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm just moving down. I'm assuming we didn't make progress on this because it's blocked on Jenny's page.
The build went through, but the tests failed, and I'm not sure. There was a lot of test fails, so I guess it's related to the raw extension stuff.
Yeah, I think the test failing is on my PR as well.
Yeah.
It seems like it's because when it encodes the data, it's different. Somehow, maybe the order of the fields makes it different. I don't know. So it fails all the round tripping with raw extension. I'm not sure if that means I have to just change like the fuzzers things so it doesn't populate that field. That seems really wrong though. So
you might have to do something special to get the fuzzer to work.
Just the fuzzer then, or because I'm worried then. Basically, then we're just making all the types not round trippable with that.
Yeah, the round trippable fuzzer thing didn't work out the way I intended when I started it. Now, if you do something that has a default value, you have to like override the random generator. Otherwise, it doesn't work. But yeah. I wouldn't expect this to. Maybe the random generator is adding a value to this, like that.
It is adding a value that. There's in the fuzzer I was looking, there already is a thing for raw extension.
Does it put a random object in there?
It puts in a random deployment. I don't know why, but like that should work too, I thought. But for some reason, when it encodes it as the bytes, it ends up different in both.
It should work for deployments, but I'm not.
The problem would be maybe that something with how meta v1 or meta v1 beta 1. Meta v1 is only an external type. There's no internal object type. Maybe that's why it's not round trip.
Well, I'm not sure how much we lock down the codecs that we use for all the types. Like some of them may not be able to decode deployments, like all the ones that aren't about deployment. So that might be an issue.
It's all coming up as like failures in the diff once it round trips, and then the row extension bytes are different. And it's just a bunch of numbers, so it's like kind of hard to see what made them different, but
yeah, you may have to add some debugging that makes, yeah, it's not going to be simple. It's probably just showing you raw, the raw
one
bytes.
solution could then be to just have it not as the type for those.
I think
Just to not populate that.
I think just to figure out if you found all the tests that need attention or not, that might be a good idea. Just disable that for the.
Yeah, it's not all the tests. It's just the ones. Yeah, there's some tests like unstructured tests.
Yeah. Okay, so it sounds like you're not going to be bored this week, so that's good. And I did make another pass on the integration test framework last week, and I don't know if I got comments on my changed one or not. That's probably my fault for not bugging somebody as a reviewer. Yeah, it's embarrassing not making progress, so maybe this week I'll really actually like find something to not do and work on this stuff. Yeah, and so the only added thing here is the dry run documentation.
What's that? Are you thinking like somewhere on the website or just in
there's some person asking Antoine on the feature issue to make a documentation PR to some particular spot. So yeah, just go look at the feature issue and yeah, do that. Hopefully that will be easier than figuring out why raw extensions don't round trip.
That should be easier. Yeah, I think also the cap will be good for the documentation.
Oh yeah, yeah. You can
reuse some of the cap, like reword it, so it's not like we will. Like
yeah. If you send raw extension, or if you send dry run, then this will happen. Yeah, sounds good. Anything else that we should cover?
I guess when the testing thing for extension stuff is okay, I'm hopefully done with my task as well. So I can either wait there or we find something else to do all that.
Yeah, should we? Yeah, sorry, I feel underprepared here. I'm looking. Okay, so wait, this one we decided not to do at all. Oh wait, oh, but he said there's a little bit more work there. Oh, there's actually already a dry run, right, documentation one. Oh.
It's the same number of points.
Oh, okay, well, I'm glad we agreed on that. Just that one, just remove this line. User documentation. Hey.
Sorry, traffic was.
Yeah, it's okay. We're actually almost done.
Yeah, I imagine.
We're just trying to find a good, like.
Is anything blocked?
Well, stuff was blocked on. Jenny stuff was blocked on me reviewing, but I did review it yesterday. this one is probably blocked on me trying to find a reviewer. This one is blocked on. It's blocked on one of Jenny's, so we're trying to find a better thing that can be done in parallel. But I'm struggling a little bit to find something.
And Anthony's back next week, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's my understanding. Sometime next week.
So the dummy question: we have 2 weeks to the code freeze of 112.
Mm-hmm.
Dry run was trying to get into 112, right? Or was getting into 112.
Yeah, and I think we're pretty good on that score. We're just talking about documentation. We
Just double checking, but
we should be okay. Our plan is for it to be alpha. Is that the?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're good then.
It should be like an alpha that actually works.
Pretty good. Alpha that actually works.
The dry run is already.
Yeah, we should make sure that even if the alpha is off, like it still blocks all dry run requests. That might be a reasonable starter thingy. Let me see. Sure. Yeah. Does that sound somewhat interesting?
Yeah, I guess I can't do without a feature branch.
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah, it doesn't need to go in the feature branch, and basically, there's a feature gate that can be on or off, and I know there's code in there to if the feature gate is on and they request a dry run, then do the dry run thing.
No, I meant about the needs feature branch field. I can only do PRs and not. Should I make the PR in the master then, or what does it mean?
I'm having a little trouble understanding you, but no, this doesn't need to go in the feature branch. This is the dry run is in master.
Okay, yeah, that was the question. So I'm making a PR to master, right?
Yeah, and actually you might look at it and decide that it already works correctly. Unlike the features, the thing here is if the flag is off, you just need to reject all dry run requests, which is essentially the code that we had in the previous release. So.
Okay, yeah, I'll test it.
That'd be great. Yeah, and I think is one of Jenny's PRs might be the first one that actually starts respecting the flag. So you might survey those two. Is it this one? Or maybe it's already in for some.
Yeah, I think it might already be in.
Okay.
It's the dry runnable struct PR.
Okay. Yeah. So survey. We just want to make sure when the flag is off, it doesn't mean that we ignore the dry run field. It means that we reject everybody that sets the dry run field.
And do you think?
Okay. Yeah.
Is it an integration test, or just to make sure? Test? What do you think?
Yeah, we can look at what we put in last release and test it the same way. That's probably good. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to call it a meeting. Actually, Fede, maybe you can help.
Sure.
By forcing me to like spend an hour or two studying what should happen next.
No,
and
this one, like a roadmap planning session or something like that.
yeah, something like that.
Okay. So who should be there?
Me. Like mostly, I need a forcing function that will make me like actually look at this and make time for it. So like a thing on my calendar, like maybe even if it's like just me.
You with your
like,
soul.
And you like randomly poke your head into the meeting room to make sure that I actually monitor the calendar.
Yeah, I will sit there to make sure you don't check emails and that. Okay, you don't need Antoine there. Eric. No.
No.
Okay.
I think at least yeah, just me. That would be good because I feel a little like that would be useful. Yeah, maybe I should do the same for some of these items that I wanted to get.
Don't worry, I will play bad police.
Yeah, okay, that would be helpful. This is the mafia boss solution to the coordination problem. Okay, we will see everybody in a week. Thank you.
Yep. See you on Slack.